You check your bank balance on a Tuesday morning and close the app before the number even loads.
That one number decides whether you sleep through the night or stare at the ceiling at 3 a.m.
Most people spend their entire lives pinned to the ground by a financial gravity they can't see. If your credit score is low, you aren't just broke. You are paying $10,000 in interest.
You are living at the candlelight table. Every paycheck is... This is the gravity phase, and it is the hardest part.
Net worth is everything you own minus everything you owe, and for most, that number is a hole. You feel like more income will fix it, but the leaks just get bigger. You land a $200,000 salary and think you're rich, but suddenly that money disappears.
You are paying for a life already consumed, trapped by golden handcuffs.
To reach escape velocity, you have to stop the bleeding and change the structure. It starts with a kill date on a wall calendar for your debt.
You stop explaining yourself to friends who think you've gotten weird about money.
You choose the rusty hatchback and the modest duplex.
Luxury is what you show people, but wealth is what you keep.
This is the moment you reach net worth zero. This is the $10,000 escape velocity rule. Because at 5 figures, the rules of the game physically change. A flat tire is now just an $180 afternoon.
You have a spine for your decisions. You are no longer working to survive. You are working to build an exit. Once you cross that $10,000 barrier, you are colonizing the future.
You open a brokerage account and buy boring index funds every month. You start naming your number to recruiters instead of taking theirs. At $50,000, your 401k contribution jumps to the maximum.
The gap between you and your peers starts to widen, but it's invisible.
Even when the market drops 31%, you don't sell a single share.
Discipline in a crash is worth more than any strategy.
By the time you hit $100,000, the portfolio starts throwing off dividends. Eventually, you hit Coast FI, where time is doing the heavy lifting.
At $1 million, the math holds.
The escape velocity wasn't about the final number. It was about the first $10,000.
The system doesn't care how hard you work. It only cares how you manage what you keep.
Wealth isn't a finish line. It's the point where your assets cover your life.
Start the clock. Plug the leaks. Reach 10K.
Stop performing a life you can't afford and start building a life you never have to escape from.